Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nesha Shah here and today I have a special guest, my sister Naisa.
Hello everyone.
So today we are going on a long trip and we don't know where we are going. It's not fixed actually.
And we have taken all the precautions.
So hope you are excited for it. So let's go. Guys, here I am with my mom and Naisa.
So now we will go and catch up with our friends and then we will see you.
The car now and we will go to the metro, not the metro. There's a shop called
Named
Metro.
Metro.
Yep, named Metro, and we will go there. Yeah, it's a supermarket and we will go and wait for our friends, or I think they are already reached.
There are a lot of bumpers, so camera is a little shaky.
Yeah, like oh my god, one more bumper.
Like every minute there is a bumper.
Because we live in a slope, so that there are trucks everywhere, so it's a bumper there. So to keep the speed limit in
So
normal.
We are going to reach Metro and meet our friends there.
We are
There are most of
already.
little kids.
Yeah, there are most of little kids because my friends are not coming because of some reasons. There will be a cute little kid named Karami and another a boy name. Actually forgot, but
We don't know actually who is coming. We just know these two are coming and don't know about others.
I think it's easy one left. I'm gonna show it.
Hey,
What's your name?
Kami? No.
no.
हाँ याना है से.
Wow, कौन है Anna?
आना कौन है?
Elsa?
Wow.
Smile करो.
Yay.
So guys, we have reached Mumbai Ahmedabad National Highway here, and I'm with my little friend Karami. Karami, say hi. Hi.
Sai.
And we are right now at Ruasai. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. वो कौन है? मुझे तो कोई नहीं दिख रहा. नाशा! कैरोमी किधर है? इतनी हार्ड किधर छुपी है वो? किधर है कैरोमी? कैरोमी! Right now only we are just doing driving as you know, and the greenery is so beautiful here, like you will not see in city and town. And she wanna come in the video? अच्छा आपको like करो वीडियो को like करो, subscribe.
Thank you.
हाँ फिर आप
हाँ, अब इसकी बात माने क्यों?
अब आना है इसके बाद सब्सक्राइब करो. Yay! So we are gonna wait somewhere. So
We are gonna take a break and then eat there.
yeah, because she's hungry, I'm also hungry a little bit, and you.
Yeah.
We are completely sorry for the moving because in the car I'm not good at holding camera or something.
And the car is also moving a lot.
So yeah, we're just gonna tell you where. Hello guys, so right now we have stayed in. We are not we are just here for a break.
And it's not open, but we are deciding and asking them if we can sit in it because we have two students.
Hi. So now we are gonna wait at Silma Inn. Now we are here and I want some biscuit or something like that.
Yeah, because we are gonna be hungry.
And she's eating chips.
And guys, we are not sure if we will vlog the return because it will be very dark.
Jim Jam for me. Hi. I bought a Jim Jam. Jim Jam. And there's a dog here. So we are gonna feed him. So guys, we are feeding this dog like because he was just looking at us, so we just thought that he would be hungry, so we are giving him a food. He's so cute, like he or she is so cute. I like really like him. And you know, now Karumi wants to play with him, as you can see, but you know, Maya doesn't. We are not touching the dog because you know it can be dirty or something like that. So guys, we have eaten a Jim Jam and she's still eating the packet. Hi. Say hi. Hi bolo.
So
We are done eating right now, and now we are just wanna wait here till some adults finish their tea and just talking.
it's really noisy. We will try to cancel out the noises.
And you know, there are like so good mountains here, as you can see, like so good.
And we feed it. And we feed it a dog, but dog left half of the food.
Yeah, and she is following me.
She is also finding dog. It was a puppy.
It was really very cute here. And guess what, guys? We are here, and actually the shop was closed. We expected to be open. We are going for Kathiawadi, that is famous for jalebi and khapra. So yeah, we have decided we are going to eat jalebi khapra. Yeah, and now we are gonna go to our. We are now gonna go to our vodka, and yeah, we are gonna wait for them. And like all are talking and all that stuff, and Naisa is chilling with Karumi. So now I will tell you the half the story after. Bye. So guys, we are here at the Karumi's car, as you can see, because Karumi wanted to sit with us and also with her mother. So we are sitting with her, and I was just telling you that we eaten our food and now we are going for long drive. That's it.
So guys, Karumi is sleeping and eating. We don't know if she is sleeping or awake because she is also chewing her food while she is sleeping. And if we take her food away, she will start to cry.
Guys, we reached the Kathiawadi here, and
It's written in Gujarati, so you might not understand it.
yeah, so as you know, we have parked our vehicle and we will go inside to eat some jalebi khapra. But as you know, like the climate is like so cloudy here.
There is like a cyclone warning, but don't worry, we are very far from it, and it's currently
On
guess
Gujarat.
was
And as you can see, it's not allowed to go in because of COVID. So what we have to do, we have to take parcels and then we will do eat in our car or something like that. But we are not allowed to. Because I'm with my mom, Mama. Hi. Hi. So we are going to the back, and now then there will be. All of the cars are going in. आ जाओ. Hi बोलो. Hi. 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 Hi बोलो. Say hi. Oh my God. Hi. Hi. What's your name? What's your name then? I'm Dursit. Dursit? Wow. So we are going in here, and like there's a pressure, like visualization. Oh my God, it's so dark. Okay, now
there is light.
Hi, Karumi.
So it's like a hotel.
I'm here inside it, and like there is no one here.
Yeah, it's literally like a personal thing.
Yeah.
We are gonna thinking of sitting somewhere there. Okay, so we are gonna sitting here because it's big, and Nisha is right there. I'll give camera to her.
मेनू कार्ड आपको ना
जलेबी भावड़ा
अरे टोस्ट सैंडविच चेंज होती थी
जम्मू से જે હોય આપણું
જે હશે.
એનું ગાડા.
So guys, we have done our family hat. Hi,
ચાય આપશે સાથે.
Smile, smile.
અને
Hi.
ત્રણ ફાફડા.
He was really much sleepy as you've seen. So yeah. Guys, we have ordered jalebi bhapra and for Naisa we have ordered sandwich. Naisa, what do you have ordered?
काम क्या है ऐसे काम देता है ये देता है थोड़ा कुछ तो नॉलेज है.
I have jalebi bhapra and for her sandwich because she doesn't eat jalebi bhapra. I like jalebi bhapra. Hi. Get me. Hi, kar. We are just gonna go to sleep at the car because me and Naisa are super tired. So here. This is crying, so we are pretty sure she's crying, but we are really sleepy and we'll try to exit. Yeah, so and the battery person is really very low, so yeah, bye. Right now we are just gonna go to our house finally, and now it's 9:19 and now we're gonna go to our house
And we are gonna sleep in our hallway because we are really tired.
Yeah, it's extremely tired, so yeah, let's go. So guys, now we reached our home and I'm like super duper tired, so we are just gonna go bath and then sleep. So that's it for the video. If you like this video, smash down like button and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.